So this is our big loud noise pack, and basically it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the biggest, loudest fireworks you'll ever see. They're unbelievable. Battle Tank, that's our own cannonade, louder than a cannon. Thunderstruck, Sin City, one of my favourite fireworks. Skybreaker, just pure bangs. Kicker stunning. Now, don't get me wrong, Pride's in here. What's Pride doing in there? I'm telling you now, watch the video of that firework. I guarantee you, you'll watch that and say, unbelievable. And obviously, as your grand finale, the unbelievable Compound, his brothers, Indestructible. This is our big loud noise pack. Fantastic.